Hello, everyone. So we're now trying Clipchamp from here. So we click on Clipchamp from your Microsoft 365. Then we can create a new video here and we can edit it with AI. We can also record our stuff, integrate it with other templates here. So let's try first the creating a new video. Okay. So this is from scratch and we're going to try to edit a video which we have recently recorded. Okay, so this is a video project and we can import our media here. So let's say, for example, we have this one, which I made for email rules. Okay, then we wait for it to upload, as you can see here. And then we can edit this media through so you can just drag and drop the video here and start editing. So let's say, for example, we are going to trim this some part somewhere here, perhaps somewhere here. Let's say here. Okay, never mind. This is it could be okay. Let's say from here to this other image. So we can click from here. And then BCC is like a blind courtesy copy. That means let's say I want to trim from here to here, right? So let's do this and click on split. So we have now two videos here. And from here, I'm also going to split this because I want to remove from there to here. Let's just start playing it. Okay. So I want to remove this video from here to there. Or maybe to here, part of that. Okay, so I'm going to split this again. And this third portion of the video, the one in the middle, is what I'm going to remove. Okay, so I will just select this. So select this one and delete this. I just pressed backspace. Okay, so then I can watch from here and you will see from here and it will directly go from here to there. Okay, so then I want to remove, for example, that thingy, so I can also do that. I will again split this because it's typing too long messages. So I will split this again and choose this one. Okay, and delete that part. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, there it is. Then afterwards, you can put your signature here. So just click on this signature here. So I have the slide flip on. So, okay, yeah, there it is. Then afterwards, you can put your signature here. So just click on this. Yeah, okay. And then, okay, so we'll add some things here in the intro. So what we do is to go to the content library and choose, I like flower, so I'm going to choose the flower here. Okay, so I'll just drag it into the timeline. So this is too long. I need it only up to here in the first 0.2 seconds. Then we want some text to go with it. So let's go on text. Let's try some nice title for text. We can choose this one and put it over here. Then we'll try to change text from here. We can also put it directly here. for this one there, and my text goes here. So when I go here, I can see my text over there. Yeah, so then I can change my text from there. Okay, so what we do is to change our text over here. So what we do is to double click here. It will give you this option on the right, so you can change it to image rules. Okay, yeah. Then we can now try how does it look. Okay, so we'll click on play. There you are. Hello everyone. I don't like the color, so we can edit the color here. We can change the text color by clicking on this, let's say blue, or let's say pink. Yeah, let's see how it looks. There you go. Hello everyone. So it's kind of very, very short. So we can move this a little bit here. And there you go. Of course, the background is very important. I don't think the pink color suits it. So we can change it to something darker, maybe this one. So let's see how it looks like. And okay, I think that's hello better. Everyone. Yeah. It seems like we want some audio as well. So we'll try to add some audio as well. We can actually drag this here so it will automatically have space here to put some audio. Okay. Okay, so we want to add some audio file onto our media. So let's go to our content library and click on audio. It will give you options for music and sound effects. So let's try sound effects first for our intro. So let's say this one, Clipchamp selects. So let's try this, for example. Right. So I think that sounds good. So I'll just drag it here. Yeah. And then let's try to see how it looks like. Hello, everyone. Okay, I think that's good enough. Then as we start the hello, everyone, then we can put some sound effects, right? So let's take a look at some music. Something which is joyful. Let's say this. That's too much. Let's take a look at what's this. Okay, let's see how this will work. Let's drag it here into our video and see how it's gonna work while we do and integrate it together with the video itself. So let's replay from the beginning how it looks like. Hello everyone, good day. So this one okay, that's too loud, so we can adjust the volume from that. All right, so the volume is too overpowering, so we can go and click on the audio here and reduce the volume there. And let's try. I decided to create an account on MS Outlook. The interface of MS Outlook. Yeah. Okay, so let's start from the beginning and see how it's gonna work. Hello everyone, good day. So dun sa mga hindi pa nag-OJT, you can either do two things. Go to your Zoho, yung aking guide for Zoho I have. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'll just add some nice things here. So what we do is, so I'm going to add ICSA logo. So I'll go to my media and click on import files. Okay. And I'm going to import media from my photos. There you are. So I'm going to look for the ICSA logo. And then I'm going to open that. And it's already included in my media. I'm planning to put that at the beginning of the video, perhaps. Then I'll drag it here onto the video. That's right. Then we can actually zoom it to make this logo appear. Just a small size of it somewhere here. Yeah. And it should appear all throughout the video. So I'm going to drag it all throughout the end of the video, as well as sounds. The sounds seem to be too short for that, so we'll just add this and trim the sound here. I just copy and pasted the sound, so it will still cover the whole video of that. So the video is until here, and look, I want it to appear until the end. And so the music is too short. I just copy and pasted it and drag it further. Now it's still, let's see how it goes at the end of the video. And we'll discuss it as soon as we can. As long as we can. Okay, so sa ngayon, we have to follow the schedule of our OJTs kasi I'm also supervising and helping and assisting. I cannot do things in one time for classes as well. So while you are not on schedule, please create your MSL. There you go. All right, so I think that worked. Okay, so as you can see, the logo doesn't appear right on front. So what we do is to click on the logo down here, and it will show you where is it in your screen. We click the order here and bring to front. Okay, so I think that's gonna work. Let's try it from the beginning. Hello everyone, good day. So dun sa mga hindi pa nag-OJT, you can either do two things. Right, so let's try to see in the middle. So ganun din, let's click on. Okay, and at the end, or OJTs. I think that's fine. So we did a good job, right? Okay, so that's it, guys. Okay, so we're done with the work. All we need to do is export this one, and let's put the title and it's out email rules. Okay, we can store in cloud if you like. Okay, we can also export as MP4. Let's do both so we can store in cloud. Okay. Okay, so it's saving. Okay, so once it's saved in your drive, you can also save it into your computer. Okay, so let's just put it maybe in the downloads perhaps and click on save. So that's it. So I hope you can create your own video editing in Clipchamp. And so that's it. I'll see you into the next one. Good luck.